No say it cash. So me see myself.
Yes, me. I'm saying everybody over here shall run come over. I'm saying everybody over there shall run come over. So me don't see them dead. So me here.
When you see that, my viewers, recklessness make them people they lose them life a road, you know. Taxi man a drive, you know, and I go on like him no sense, you know, and running a chuck back, you know. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, plus Inspector Hutchinson drop out time yard and squaddy them take away one a charge badness metal. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make on know what I go on.
Trying to kill me this morning in my house, believe.
You know, because really.
No, I'm not everything.
But I'm not gonna kill me. No, I'm not gonna. I'm putting the cut up. No, I'm not gonna. What? Let him suffer. Let him suffer.
Big man.
Let him suffer. Let him suffer.
You are getting arrested and charged, sir. You are being arrested and charged. Come.
You got for me, sir.
Come on, like this.
You got for me, sir.
Big man, come on, like this. Come on, like this. Go.
Murder!
Big man, come on.
We're not being for, sir. We're not being for. We're not being for. Yeah? You know me alone, no, man. You know me alone, no, sir. You know me alone, no, you. You know me alone, no. You know me alone, officer. Me start on my phone, sir. What you try to kill me for? What you try to kill me for? The fuck you not try to kill me for? What you try to kill me for? Yeah?
When you see that, my viewers, squaddy them tear off the dog door going in him house fi fling couple 9 ball in him head. But the dog not ready for dead. The dog a beg for him life and a tussle, be a fighting and struggling till see it there, he make a great escape. My viewers, make we pick sense out of nonsense. Cause all we hear squaddy them a say, you know, say them a arrest him and charge him, you know. Charge him for what? Him a gunman, him a boss head, him active a road, and him a do the door watchy, make them tear off him door early in the morning and go in there fi go pronounce him. Judge a Father God. So as I say, my viewers, that wanna just hear or wanna just see, a watch it take place, squaddy them, early morning operation, tear off Umbre door and go in there fi pronounce him. And Umbre never ready for dead yet. Him not ready for go lay down in a castic yet. So him a fight for him 3 points. So my viewers, walk with me. See that man you wanna see on the screen. Inspector D. Hutchinson from the Specialized Operation Branch. Them find him unresponsive in him house. And when them transport him to a doctor, the doctor say I eat that. And we don't know if him take him on a 3 points or a smaddy do this to him or a some natural causes. But see it my people, top cop D. Hutchinson drop out. So my viewers, walk with me and now see the Ruga ya where squaddy them go over in a Gregory Park go take way. My people, it look ugly but it mucky. No know much dopey dramatic you coulda under it belt. So as I say, the youth them a run up and down boy it be all iron in a them hand. Some of them all iron ya the boy from enough of them ban till see it you know. I eat enough of them having a them and a run up and down and a create a storm. So as I say, one more a charge badness metal them gone. Have a squaddy them go in a Gregory Park. Search and find a Ruger 45 ya with couple 45 ball. So my people, I'm gonna listen to this, you know. And then we're gonna talk about this taxi man them. I move reckless boy ya.
No say it cash. So me see myself.
Yes, me. I'm saying everybody over here shall run come over. I'm saying everybody over there shall run come over. So me don't see them dead. So me here.
See that my viewers, The taxi man them a play hockey and quota with the people life boy, you know. Make me tell no for own a taxi man this. You see when you pick up the passenger them, just make sure say the passenger them safe from point A to point B. And that no for own need for do. When you see it, you always a cuss out the traffic cop them. I talk about this and I talk about that. When at the end of the day, the traffic cop them do out in the street for save life, you know. For make sure say this thing you no go on, you know. Cause you no hear what the people them a say on the video. Taxi man a move reckless, lose control, and go slam up in a truck back. Till see it they know. Fame life gone, mama life gone. Some people a say a 3 life gone. Well, me confirm say a 2 life gone. Say as what I say my viewers. The things that are way boy ya. All because nobody now listen. Nobody now wait them turn. Everybody a rush. If you go pick up passengers and for make money, Jaja Father God, my condolences for the people them life were lost. Cause the way the thing set boy ya right now, see it there, back to school, you know. All of the money them spend on that. So now the people them family have to go find money for funeral and burial. So it's set a way boy ya. So to all of the taxi man them out there, brother, slow down on the road, brother. That me I tell you no, brother. Just like that. So my people, wanna stay safe out there. Protect phone 3 points out there. Until next time.